This is the easiest way to remove a rusted toilet tank bolt. So this bolt is really stubborn. I have tried so many ways, and I figured this is the easiest way. So what you need is a vise grip, uh, and just lie it down horizontally and grip it. And grip the bolt as such. So once it is gripped, because of the washer in between the bolt and the housing or the tank, it gives us, like, enough room to grip the top of the bolt. And once that is gripped, then the vise itself, the tool itself is braced against the wall of the tank, and then your hands are free to use a socket or any tools to loosen the nut at the bottom. And that is the easiest way to remove this stubborn rusted bolt.